Hi guys, I'm Sana and welcome back to the Sublime Life YouTube channel. As you've read by the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about retinol. So if you're someone who wore matching tracksuits or you played with Scoobies or hula hoops, let's face it, we're all older now and it's time to start using retinol. You may believe it or not, but your skin can start showing signs of aging from the age of 20. It may experience loss of volume, elasticity, smile lines, and wrinkles can start showing up, which can be jarring, but it's totally normal. The best and undoubtedly most coveted ingredient for this is retinol, a derivative of vitamin A. Retinol not only removes all the dead skin cells, but the smaller molecules that form retinol go deep within your epidermis, which is the outer layer of your skin, to the dermis, which is the middle layer. Retinol helps neutralize free radical, which is causing all the damage to your skin. It also helps to boost the production of elastin and collagen, which gives you the plumping effect. So if you're looking to start your retinol journey, this is the video that you should be watching, because today I'm going to be talking about 4 top beginner-friendly retinol products formulated by some great Indian brands. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about is the Retinol Face Cream, a robust cream with 0.3% retinol, perfect for beginners, perfect for all skin types. It is great for increasing your cell turnover. It helps to reduce all the pigmentation, sun damage, redness, and signs of aging. It is enriched with rich emollients, peptides, and vitamin B3 and is perfect for night repair and renewal. Now, the second retinol product that I'm going to be talking about is the Suganda 2% Granactive Serum. Now, this serum is one of its kind. It has a synergistic blend of Granactive, which is a derivative of retinoid, and carotenoids. Now, carotenoids are actually derived from carrot and are a powerful antioxidant. Overall, they help to improve fine lines, uneven skin tone, and add plumpness due to stimulated collagen production. Another interesting aspect about this novel kind of retinol is that it stimulates cell proliferation, which improves your skin's thickness and makes it more firmer. It is also super lightweight and non-comedogenic, making it easy to layer with other skincare products. The third retinol product that we're going to be talking about is the Deconstruct Retinol and Peptide Serum. Now, we've always heard about power of PES, and this is what exactly the serum is. With a unique combination of retinol and peptides, it helps to define the signs of aging, including lines, wrinkles, dehydration, and produce skin faster while improving moisturization from deep within. Again, it's suitable for all skin types and it has a very hydrating and lightweight texture. Now, our last recommendation is the Dr. Sheth's Rosehip and Retinoid Power Emulsion. Now, this is a great revolutionary formula which combines 2 anti-aging powerhouse, Retinoid, Granactive Retinoid, and Rosehip, with vitamin C and 𝗣𝗿𝗆, which helps speed up the process of skin regeneration. This makes sure your new skin cells emerge sooner for visible improvement in pigmentation, sunspots, wrinkles, fine lines, and even acne. So with all the retinols that we've recommended, you just need to cleanse your face before applying it at night. Apply it, let it stay on for 1 minute at least, and then follow up with a moisturizer. You can even follow the sandwich method, which is moisturizer, retinol, and then moisturizer. Also, just make sure that the next day you're always applying sunscreen, as the skin becomes even more sensitive while applying retinol. So I hope this video helps, and I can completely understand that starting your own retinol journey can be a little intimidating. But these all products that we've recommended in the video today are beginner friendly and you can completely start your retinol journey with them. So if you have any more further questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comments box. Thank you.